There is a path that does not promise comfort, yet it leads to peace. Not because it changes the world around you, but because it transforms the way you move within it. Long ago, a man sat in stillness and saw clearly what most spend their lives avoiding. That man was Gautama Buddha, and what he discovered was not a secret, but a way, a path of 8 simple disciplines that, when lived, free the mind from confusion and suffering. It begins with right view. To see clearly is to understand that life is constantly changing, that clinging creates tension, and that many of your thoughts are interpretations, not truths. Most people suffer not because of reality, but because of the story they attach to it. When you begin to see without distortion, you stop fighting what simply is. From this clarity comes right intention. Your life follows the direction of your inner aims. If your intentions are rooted in fear or ego, your actions will reflect unrest. But when your intentions are guided by patience, discipline, and compassion, your path begins to stabilize. A single thought, repeated daily, becomes the architecture of your life. Then comes right speech. Words shape reality more than we realize. Careless speech creates conflict, while mindful speech builds trust and clarity. Before you speak, pause. Ask if your words are true, necessary, and grounded. In that pause, you reclaim control over your reactions. From speech flows right action. This is where philosophy becomes visible. Integrity is not tested when things are easy, but when shortcuts are available. Every action plants a seed, and over time, those seeds become your environment, your reputation, your life. Choose carefully what you plant. Next is right livelihood. What you do each day matters, not only for survival, but for alignment. Work that contradicts your values creates quiet tension within you. But when your actions in the world reflect your inner principles, even simple work becomes meaningful. Peace is not found in what you earn, but in how you earn it. Then comes right effort. Not all effort leads to growth. Scattered effort exhausts you, while mindful effort strengthens you. Right effort is the discipline to nourish what is good within you and release what is harmful. It is choosing awareness over distraction, even when it is difficult. From effort arises right mindfulness. Most people live everywhere except the present moment, replaying the past or fearing the future. But life only exists here. Mindfulness is the practice of returning again and again to what is happening now, to your breath, your thoughts, your actions. And in that awareness, patterns reveal themselves. Finally, there is right concentration. A focused mind is a powerful mind. In a world of constant distraction, the ability to remain present with one thing becomes a rare strength. Through stillness and attention, the mind becomes steady, clear, and less reactive. Like a calm lake reflecting the sky without distortion. Understand this. The Eightfold Path is not something you complete. It is something you live. You will forget. You will drift. You will react. And then you return. Again and again. This is the practice. This is the path. And over time, something begins to change. Not the world, but your relationship to it. Where there was tension, there is space. Where there was confusion, there is clarity. Where there was suffering, there is understanding. So ask yourself, where can you begin today? Because the path does not start when life becomes easier. It starts the moment you choose to walk it.